no, no. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My body keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My body keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My body keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beautyw.cat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. As you can see, I am reviewing the wig from the Melted Hairline series from Outre, and her name is Jenni. Whew, that was a lot. So yes, the wig does come with 3 combs, 2 on the sides, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps, and also an elastic band for a glueless wear. And y'all, today I am feeling glueless, okay? So the colors that I decided to review was the DR2 Ginger Brown and also a 1B. Y'all, that DR2 Ginger Brown got me in a chokehold. For real, I just love this color. I love this color, y'all. So again, y'all already know how I feel about the Melted Hairline series. This is a easy, beginner-friendly wig. Y'all already see how the hairline is plucked to perfection, and she does have baby hairs. You guys do see that she does have that HD transparent lace, and also she does have that frontal effect hairline. So right now I am coloring the lace with my foundation from Maybelline in the color 355 Coconut. Now, if you are wondering about this texture, she is very similar to a Nisha, and also she is very similar to, I believe she was in the Perfect Hairline series, has the same texture as Shanice. Shanice was a part of the Perfect Hairline series that I did review before. So if you are the type to like textured wigs, y'all, she is definitely a textured wig. I really appreciate the layers this wig also has as well. Mind y'all, I did not put no glue. No got to be spray was used. No Gorilla Glue. You know what? Let me not even go there. I'm not even gonna. I ain't finna go there, y'all. I'm not finna go there, y'all. I'm not about to go there with the Gorilla Glue girl. I hope she really gets that stuff out her head. I know y'all watching that story as much as I'm watching that story. Yeah, but there's no glue. There's no glue being involved today. So everything that I'm doing right now is a glueless look. So what I am using to calm those baby hairs and flyaways down, I am using my Nairobi Foamy Mousse. I am putting a little bit of edge control on the edges. As y'all can see, when you do that, it gives this very natural hairline, and I am obsessed. I'm obsessed with doing this type of step. Again, if you like the textures of Nisha and also that Perfect Hairline series wig that I mentioned, Shanice, this is the perfect wig for y'all to go pick up, for real. So I just use my blow dryer just to calm her down just a tad bit at the top. Y'all, look at this hairline. I did not put no glue, no adhesive, anything, y'all. So let me tell you about the pros and cons. The pros, I love the layers in this wig. I love the length of this wig. And I also, y'all already know how I feel about the hairline. The hairline is gorgeous, y'all. It's gorgeous. I love how this also gives me a salon blow dried look as well. Like, it's just so soft. It is just so flowy. Y'all, I'm obsessed with these layers. Also, another pro as well, she is beginner friendly and I didn't use any product except for the edge control and the Nairobi foaming mousse. Other than that, no glue was required. The only con that I have with this wig is that it just shed just a little bit, not excessively, but just a little bit. So that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys are subscribing, liking, sharing, all that other good stuff. Everything about Jenni will be in my description box below. Thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
What a day, what a day.